Here is how to clear your storage on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and then click on your profile picture that's on the top right. After that, scroll down and here click on Storage and Data. Then click on Manage Storage, and here they've run an entire check on your WhatsApp storage and broken it down for you as to where most of your storage is getting used. So if you scroll down, here you can see which chats or groups are taking up how much storage. So this is sorted in descending order. So the chats taking up the most storage, they'll show up on top. So you can scroll through this list and let's say you want to clear some storage from this chat. Then you can click on it. And here is the media, which is taking up the most amount of space. So next to each image or video, you can see the size, which is written on top. And now if you want to delete them, you can either select all by clicking on this, or else you can just long press on one and start selecting whichever ones you want to delete. And then click on the delete button that's on the top right. So this is the first method of going through all of the chats. The second thing you can do is see these two summaries given by WhatsApp. First is all the media that's been forwarded many times. So if you click on this, then all this media has been forwarded many times. And most likely, this could be something you'd want to delete. So the same way, if you want to delete all, click on select all, or else you can manually long press on them and delete whichever ones you want. You can click on the delete button on the top right, and now it's been deleted. Then the next option is all media larger than 5 MB. So if you click on this is all media larger than 5 MB, and you can sort this based on different things. If you click on the sort button on the top right, then you can sort by date or by size. So currently, it will show the largest ones on top, and the same way you can go through this and delete whichever ones you want. So these are the best methods to free up space. First is going through the chats, then seeing the media which has been forwarded many times, and after that the media that's more than 5 MB. There's one more thing you can do. If you scroll down to the bottom and then click on Manage Downloads. So over here I have a translation from Spanish to English, and this is taking up 24 MB. And if I want to delete this, I can click on it and then just click on Remove. And now we freed up 24 MB. So this is another thing you can do. So these are all of the methods. And if you want to know some privacy and security tips for WhatsApp, check out this video. Goodbye.